Yeah, when I see this update, when the B say I put for you, when I see what they write, they say the unique is for Igbanke, go follow Senator Ned, no one go do meeting. I don't know the meeting when they say they go do, but all those things now lies, propaganda. Who say now they go feel say maybe now all unique is when they Igbanke, now go follow Senator Ned, do meeting. Now lie. You know understand? For that Igbanke so now 6 quarters now they. That 6 quarters. You dey get me so? All of them get their enigmas. So, 2 quarters for inside, they mix with Eka people because now the day boundaries. 4 quarters for inside, now pure Edo people. They even speak Edo language. You understand? So, automatically, majority for Igbanke, now Edo people. Pure breed. You understand? So, pure Edo breed. 2, now Edo people, but when it be like say they miss with Eka, you understand? Now that 2 communities, so that 2 community, when it be say they miss with Eka, now they do all this propaganda. So now those 2 enogi, so now they work with Senator Ned. You dey get me so? Now those 2 enogi, now they do all this propaganda. So who they hear? If people they hear, they go feel say maybe now the full Igbanke now lie, now propaganda, now lie. Very soon, when I go see videos, make una really know say 4 quarters for Igbanke, now pure Edo people and Edo language that they speak. 2 quarters, now they speak Eka, because that's 2 quarters, so now the day boundary side, now the day the border. You understand the boundary side, so they mix with Eka, and then they can't speak Eka, but those areas now still Edo people territory. So all this on Igbanke, all this on propaganda, it not go work. Make una the waste on time. Igbo people, make una the waste on time. Job people when want to create or a state, make them they waste their time because all these things it not go work. It not get one fit say force another trap join una so-called state when want create. Make una no worry. More videos go drop. Confirm videos, evidence to show say yes, Igbanke na Edo people na they there. Out of the 6 quarters, 4 na pure Edo people. Edo trap na they there. Language when they speak now Edo language, you understand? Now these 2 communities, so when mix with Eka, now they do all these propagandas, this they are enogis. You understand? When the form say the BOB, but one no worry, time they come. Senator Neda, you say you don't want to move on for Edo state matter. Wait till you defend, you go see him.
That Bini boy is just saying nonsense. Just look at the rubbish that he's saying. He is calling the kings of Ibanka people as dukes. He is calling them enogie. Enogie means a person administering over a community on behalf of a king. That means the kings of Ibanka are not kings, but they are just like chiefs that are administering their community on behalf of the Oba of Bini. Ibanke kings are not administering under the Oba of Bini. They have equal rights with the Oba of Bini. The Oba of Bini is a king in Bini kingdom. The kings in Ibanke community are kings in their own kingdom. So if they say make kings collect something, as Oba of Bini they collect, Igbanke kings go they collect. All of them are kings. Any Bini person where still they call Igbanke kings as enogie, that Bini person na mumu, it not get sense. Such a person is an Ozwai. During the colonial era, the British recognized Igbanke kings as Obi and Eze, not as enogie. Igbanke kings are being called enogie just recently. Since the history of Igbanke kings are known as Obi and Eze. We have been telling Bini people to stop calling Igbanke kings as enogie. Well, I think that is the only thing that is making them happy. Because according to Bini people, they don't see the kings of other people as kings. It's in their nature. Igbanke kings are not dukes. They are not under the Oba of Bini. Igbanke is a separate kingdom from Bini kingdom. Igbanke people are separate people from Bini people. The Bini boy from Ile-Ife said that 4 villages in Ibanke speak Bini language, and that 2 villages in Igbanke speak a mixture of Bini and Eka, and that the kings of those 2 villages that speak Bini and Eka are the ones that visited Senator Ned Nwoko talking about Anioma State and boundary adjustments. The Bini boy said that all those posts showing Igbanke people and Senator Ned Nwoko, that they are all propaganda and lies just to deceive the public. Look at this picture here. These are 4 kings from Igbanke community that visited Senator Ned Nwoko. The meeting between Senator Ned Nwoko and Igbanke kings and their people within the National Socio-Cultural Organization was on the 1st of February 2026, which is on Sunday. And this boy they thought say now only 2 kings from Igbanke go visit Senator Ned Nwoko. Look at the 4 kings from Igbanke that visited Senator Ned Nwoko. Igbanke kings told Senator Ned Nwoko that they want Igbanke and other indigenous Igbo communities in Edo State to be part of Anioma State through boundary adjustments. All the 6 kings in Igbanke community want Igbanke and other indigenous Igbo communities in Edo State to be part of Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Those 4 wey come na the ones wey dey around. They want Anioma State to be created, and this boy from Bini dey online dey talk rubbish, saying nonsense just to make his fellow Bini people happy. Una go cry, no worry, una go cry, shey na cry, una go cry. Also cause just dey start. Place where you be say you know dey there where the thing happen. You come online dey talk rubbish. No community in Ibanke speak Bini language. Every Ibanke community speak Igbo language. All the quarters, all the villages in Ibanke speak Igbo language and not Bini. The kings of Ibanke have said it countless times that Ibanke don't speak Bini language. What Ibanke people speak is Igbo language. Ibanke people are not bilingual. Ibanke people speak only one language, and that language is Igbo language. All the quarters and villages in Ibanke speak Igbo language. Only that one Igbo language is what they are speaking. I don't know where this Bini boy got all his information from. He said that Igbo people are wasting their time for trying to remove Igbanke from Edo State. It's Bini Kingdom that are wasting their time. Because there is nothing Bini Kingdom will do that will stop Igbanke people and other indigenous Igbos in Edo State not to join Anioma State. You want to stop people that don't speak your language from leaving Edo State. Is Edo State Bini Kingdom? Is Bini Kingdom the owner of Edo State? Bini is just a tribe in Edo State. There are so many tribes in Edo State. Edo State is just like Delta States. Delta States have so many tribes, different people that have nothing in common. Edo State is also the same. People with different tribes and origin. Ibanka is an Igbo speaking community. They have nothing in common with Bini people. What Ibanka people call their king is Obi and Eze. They use Ofo. They do New Yam Festival. They observe the Igbo 4 market days. They use the same traditional calendar with Ndi Igbo. They bear Igbo names. They eat Igbo food. They break kola nuts. Their dance is Igbo dance. Their music is Igbo music. Their festivals are Igbo festivals. Their masquerades are Igbo masquerades. Their deities are Igbo deities. Bini Kingdom worship Ogun, Sango, Orumila, Eshu. All those deities are not in Ibanke. So how are they related? Bini people are spreading this lie saying that the reason why Ibanke people are now speaking Igbo language is because Ibanke people are closer to Igbo people. And because of that, Ibanke people started losing their Bini language and start speaking Igbo language. Just imagine, what a lie! Ibanke people said that their origin is not Bini, and that they have occupied their land before Bini people came from Ile-Ife. Ibanke community is more than 1,000 years old, and Bini Kingdom is just 800 years old. So how come are Bini people claiming that they gave birth to Ibanke that have been existing before Bini Kingdom came from Ile-Ife? Everyone knows the history of Bini people, that Bini people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. The Oba of Bini is the great grandson of Oduduwa. He's not an indigenous person there. Bini people are tenants in Edo State. So how can you, a tenant, be claiming that you own the land that Aborigines have occupied before you invaded that land from Ile-Ife? The Bini boy said that they will bring out facts and evidences to prove that Igbanke people are Bini people, that Igbanke belongs to Bini. Just imagine the nonsense that he's saying. What are you Bini people waiting for to bring those evidences? You people will just be coming out and be saying rubbish. That was how you people are claiming that the land that Ijaw people occupy in that Edo State belongs to you Bini people. Riverine area, swampy area where Ijaw people dey, where their ancestors don't dey for so many years. You Bini people are claiming that you own their land. You are saying that Ijaw people will never have to read the state, that the land of Ijaw people in Edo State belongs to you people. Bini Kingdom, we are telling you people to bring that fact and evidence that you said you have. Bring those videos. We want to see it. Ibanka kings are speaking with one voice, saying that the Oba of Bini is not the one that gave birth to them. They said that their community Igbanke is not of Bini origin. Why are you Bini people pained? It's only two Igbanke kings that visited in the they are Enogis. Their land belongs to Bini Kingdom. Saying rubbish. Bini Kingdom have no power to stop the National Assembly from mapping out the indigenous Igbos in Edo State to join Anioma State through boundary adjustment. Bini Kingdom don't have that power. They not get that power. That power not dey. As far as the people that they want to map out from Edo State don't speak Bini language, is allowed. If to say Igbanke people they speak Bini language, that one they different. But they only speak one language, and that is Igbo language. Every quarter in Igbanke, every village in Igbanke speak only Igbo language. This boy is the one spreading propaganda. Since Bini Kingdom start to drag Igbanke, say Igbanke belongs to Bini. Now so propaganda these Bini people they spread online. Eki Treti recognized Bini Kingdom as tenants in that land that they occupy today. Bini people are tenants, so how tenants go dey tell aboriginal person say now you get aboriginal person? Person give you land, say make you stay. Tomorrow you come out and talk say now you get the land of your landlord. Bini Kingdom, anyhow that you people want it with Ibanka people, we Indian Asobia socio-cultural organization and the Igbo unification movement with Igbo nation entirely will give it to you people, bomber to bomber. Say Nigeria government dey marginalize the Igbo, not be for you Bini people to start to dey take wetin belong to win the Igbo. It's not possible. We will never allow such a thing to happen. When the time for boundary adjustment comes, Ibanka people must surely leave Edo State. The National Assembly, whenever they are talking about state creation, they are always talking about boundary adjustments. The memorandum that Winding Asobia Cultural Organization gave to Senator Nedwoko, we told him to create Anioma State and zone it to the southeast. And for him to bring back the indigenous Igbos in Edo State back to Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Whenever they are talking about Anioma State in the National Assembly, they are always talking about boundary adjustments. So, Bini Kingdom have no power over Igbanke people. Bini Kingdom have no say over the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. Anioma State creation is coming sooner than expected. The entire Igbo speaking community in Edo State must join Anioma State through boundary adjustments, and there's nothing Bini Kingdom can do about it. The ranting of all these Bini people ends online. Power to Senator Nedwoko. Ishewale.